In our fast-paced world, optimizing time is crucial. Visualize enhancing your workflow, reclaiming precious time, and effortlessly boosting productivity. Today, I'll walk you through the power of ArcLab's bulk upload functionality. Let's unlock the potential of this feature and witness its magical impact. We'll begin with bulk add learners. First, click the Upload button on your learner's dashboard. Click View to view a template of the Excel sheets to be uploaded. Click Download to download the template. Using the template provided, enter the relevant learner details into the respective columns accordingly. Keep all column headers unchanged. To bulk add learners with group details, ensure that the specific groups in exact spelling have been first created on your learner's dashboard. You're encouraged to include an ID for your learners as it will be used as a unique identifier to prevent addition of duplicate learners. This ID can be your company assigned employee's ID number, their national ID number, or any form of ID that you would like to identify them. Do check that there are no duplicates in the ID column. You can do this by highlighting the entire column B and click on the Home menu tab. Then click on the conditional formatting icon, highlight cell rules and duplicate values. If any duplicates are present, the cells will be highlighted, allowing you to make the necessary corrections. Once you have completed filling in the information in the Excel file, you may upload it by drag and drop or click on the file drop zone to upload your completed Excel spreadsheet. Check and ensure that your learner's details are correct, then click Confirm. To perform the bulk or mass edit for your learners, similarly, download the existing Learners Template Excel spreadsheet. You may prepare a list similar to ArcLab's template format and copy and paste the information over to the downloaded Excel spreadsheet. Do note not to modify or delete the ArcLab ID column and to keep all column headers unchanged. Similarly, if you would like to make a group details change, ensure the specific groups in exact spelling have been first created on your learner's dashboard. Once you have completed filling in the updates in the Excel file, you may upload it to ArcLab. Check and ensure that your updated details are correct, then click Confirm. To bulk delete learners, download the existing Learners Template Excel spreadsheet. Open the file. When removing the learners, keep in mind not to modify or delete the ArcLab ID column and to keep all column headers unchanged. You should only be removing the learner's details under the column ID, name, email, phone, and groups. Once you have completed the deletion in the Excel file, you may upload it to ArcLab. Check and ensure that your updated learner details are correct, then click Confirm.